Guys, I think I hit the jackpot.
My mom found these at the outlets, guys. How crazy is that?
I found some Air Jordan 1s for an absolute steal here. Nike outlet time, guys, and it's a really good day today because everything in store is 20% off. The last time we were at the Nike outlets, it was in San Antonio, Texas, and we did the cheapest outfit you can find at the Nike outlet. So today, we're not gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna do a regular Nike outlet vlog. So I'm gonna show you guys a ton of the sneakers that they have here, what the best sneakers are here, the best steals, the most hype sneakers. We might be able to find some sample sneakers like last time, or some Air Jordans. So yeah, let's dig around the stuff and go right for the size 10 stuff since that's my size. So to start things off, we're gonna look at size 9.5 since that's my size in Air Force Ones.
We got some Flyknit Air Force One lows right here. Regular price is $190 and it's now $74.99 with an extra 20% off. My size, I'm tempted because this would be an awesome pickup for spring and summer. And if you guys don't know, these things are like incredibly light. These are like weigh as much as a tissue box does. It's insane, and they're super comfy too. Here's another Air Force One Flyknit that they have, but it's not a low cut, it is a high cut, and it's pretty cheap as well. Regularly priced at $200, now $79.99 with an extra 20% off that.
Yo, these next sneakers are insane. Check these out. They got these Magistacks. What are these called? Magistacks Promixo 2s, regularly priced at $240, now $90 with an extra 20% off. These are so vibrant, oh my gosh. Guys, I think I hit the jackpot.
Now we are in the size 9.5 section, but for whatever reason they have a size 10 and size 12 of these right here. These are a quick strike, limited release of the Nike Air Trainer Victor Cruz, regularly $220, now $84.99 with an extra 20% off. Oh my gosh, these things are beautiful. Oh, it's like this pale nude color. It's like a light pink almost, and the materials on this thing is really nice, along with those little touches of that rose gold there on the lace area. And man, I love the Victor Cruz. I actually owned a couple of colorways of this sneaker a long time ago.
I am super tempted to pick it up right now, but we just got here at the Nike outlet, so I'm gonna keep looking around the store. Maybe we'll find something else.
They seem to have a never-ending supply of these. The Nike Train Ultra Fast Flyknit, regularly priced at around $190. Now they're going for $75 with 20% off. Sort of has like this breast cancer awareness kind of vibe with that pink Flyknit upper. It's kind of strange because the upper is like a see-through kind of material. You guys can actually see through this window right here, so you can see whatever socks you're wearing. That's different. We got some pretty cheap and solid running shoes, regularly priced at $140, now $55 with 20% off. The Nike Train Speed 4s.
And by the way, guys, if you haven't yet figured this out, we're actually in Canada, so all the prices are in Canadian dollars, so take like 25% off if you're watching from America.
Some Hyper Venom X Promixo NJR 2s. I guess these are Neymar's sneakers right here. We got some limited Neymar sneakers, pretty cool. There's like a Jordan and soccer fusion kind of thing going on. And these limited Jordans are regularly priced at $230, and now they're going for $90 with 20% off.
They have a ton of these right here, Kobe 10 EXTs, and they're regularly priced at $290. Now they're going for $115 with 20% off. That is crazy. And they have so many pairs here, guys. Just in size 10 alone,
they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pairs.
This might be one of the biggest Nike steals ever because the regular price is $290. So for $115 and 20% off,
that makes it $92, down from $290.
That is like 66% off a $300 sneaker. Holy cow.
Keeping it moving, we got some Nike Lab Pocket Knife DMs, regularly priced at $190, now for $74.99. I don't really like this colorway. This looks really clunky and chunky to me. Gonna have to pass on these. And they have some limited Nike Sock Dart Quick Strikes right here, size 10, in this like safari turquoise teal colorway. Not really messing with this colorway. I think it's pretty horrendous. I'd say this is a pretty good deal. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 92, regularly priced at $165, now for $65. So that's about $100 off, guys. I like the shoe. It's a burgundy shoe with hits of black and gray. Got that cool speckling on the back of the shoe. Nike Air branding on the back for y'all hype beast. I messed with it for $65. $65, if you're just going to school and you need like a daily beater or a gym shoe, this Nike Pegasus is definitely worth checking out. We got some Nike SB Blazer Zoom Lows XTs, regularly priced at $105, now going for $45. I like this pink swoosh on the side. The leather's not too shabby at all, and I like that midsole on it too. My mom found these at the outlets, guys. How crazy is that? Mom, how much did you pay for these Jordans last time you were here?
$59.99.
$59.99? Dang, that's a steal, Mom. Can you help me find some Jordans? Because that's super lucky. Mom, what do you think about these shoes right here?
Super bright.
Whoa!
Sorry. It's super bright. You will not get lost.
You'll not get lost if you wear that. What do you think about those shoes, Mom? The Kobe 10 mids.
Kobe? Oh,
Yeah,
Kobe.
those are some Kobe shoes, yeah.
Wow.
Guys, do you see the regular price?
No.
$290, $300.
And then how?
And then it's on sale for $115 with
Wow.
20% off. Is that like a Filipino mom approved
Yeah.
steal right there?
Yeah,
It almost looks
I
like
like
tinfoil
this,
to me.
but I don't like
Oh, you like the
that.
purple sock part to it?
Yeah.
I'm not too crazy about those. What about these? I saw these earlier. Would you ever wear those, Mom?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Those are the ones that I like. The Victor Cruz. It's like in a pale nude color.
Who's Victor Cruz?
Victor Cruz is a football player.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Would you wear those?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
This is a really good steal, guys. Size 10 Air Zoom Mariah Flyknit Racers, down from $220, now $85 with 20% off. Surprised they actually have this here, but really dope colorway for the spring and summer. We also got some Nike Dunk Ultras right here for $79.97. Really loud, vibrant blue, and the inner lining of the shoe around the ankle is pretty cool. It's like this red plaid, so shout out to Scarce. These sock darts here in this blue and orange colorway, going for $49.99 with 20% off. That's a steal. And we got some more Nike sock darts here going for $69.99 with 20% off. This is a really clean colorway, navy blue. I think this is one of the first colorways they dropped, and they started re-releasing the Nike sock darts again. Air Max 90 Ultra 2.0 Flyknits, down from $215 to $85 with 20% off, and that's pretty cool olive colorway. This would have been better for the fall, but still not a bad choice for this season. Holy crap, guys. I found some Air Jordan 1s for an absolute steal here for like basically $50 or $40 American. I'm hyped off these. They are my size 2, guys. Size 10 Air Jordan 1s, regularly priced at $215, now for $85 with 20% off. That comes to $65 after that 20% off, and that means it's $50 American. Holy cow. This is the Air Jordan 1 High OG, the Yin Yang pack, as most of you guys have known it. We got the white Jordan Wings branding on the side. We got the white swoosh on the tongue. We got the Nike Air branding in red and white. This is like, oh, still in excellent condition. There's no like defects or anything like that, which I am surprised, because usually when you go to the outlets, some of the stuff is in not the greatest shape, but today we got a steal. So you know what we gotta do? We gotta bag it up and keep it moving. So I think now's a good time to keep looking around the store. So we're gonna start off with the smaller sizes at size 7 men's, work our way up, showing you guys just the best sneakers I can find. And then we're also gonna hit the GS sizes, the kids, the women's sizes right after that. Size 7, they have these Flyknit Racers for $79.99 with an extra 20% off. Jordan Westbrook 0.2s, regularly $190, now for $74.99. For size 8, we have the Nike Dunk Flyknits. There's no price on it, unfortunately. I can't find the price, but these are pretty dope. Size 8, we got an absolute steal. We got the Blazer Lows for $29.99. 8.5, we have the Nike Air Max 1 Premiums from $175, now down to $59.99 in this brown leather and suede colorway, red air unit, and a dark orange swoosh. I like this, it's pretty cool, especially for the price point. Size 9.5, we got the Air Max Zero Essentials for $69.99 in this black and white Oreo colorway. We found some Blazer Studio mids in the size 9, regularly $165, now $64.99. Sort of gives off that off-white kind of vibe, if you guys see where I'm coming from. I like these, pretty dope. I don't know what it is, guys, about the Nike outlet, but I feel very relaxed. It sort of feels like a meditation when you're just walking around the Nike outlet looking for steals. If you guys understand where I'm coming from, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I just love looking around the Nike outlet, hunting for steals. It doesn't feel stressful. It's a nice way to relieve stress, finding steals
deals, looking at all these shoes you wouldn't really find otherwise, all these unique sneakers that you don't really see at Foot Lockers or Champs. They're all located in one centralized location, and that's one of the things I love about the Nike outlets and coming here all the time.
Like, check this out. We wouldn't usually find like this sneaker right here, the Nike Classic Cortez ST Quick Strike, this like gay pride colorway. You wouldn't really see these usually in stores, and to find them at a discounted price is great. These are going for $49.99 down from $120.
I wish they had these in my size, but they don't.
Size 11.5 Nike Cortez Shark Low Special Edition. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these. I love the shark outsole they have, but it's just not my size. Oh look, that's pretty cool. It says about the detail property of Nike on the inside there. Look at those savings too. Ooh, they got them in size 11 too, guys. That's just a slap in the face. Now for the big footers, we got size 12 Air Force One Ultra Flyknits for $94.99. I really like this colorway here. Some size 12 triple black Nike sock darts, $69.99, regularly $175.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a f.
The funniest thing just happened. I had two people at separate occasions come up to me and ask me, yo, if I ever change my mind on these ones, to hit them up so they can buy them. But yeah, that's not happening. That was it for the men's section. Now we're gonna go through some of the women's stuff, some of the girls stuff, some of the kid size stuff, and I have my sister right here to help with that. So she's gonna show you some of the top picks if you are a female or a young guy with the smaller feet. So yeah, Nikki, let's have some fun.
Okay, to be honest, the women's section, it's all running shoes.
All running shoes, okay. Are there any Jordans that you found anywhere?
Not in the women's section.
Okay. What about the kid sides?
Yes.
Yes? All right, let's head there. Can you believe my sister? She stole my entire outfit, bruh. Ooh, some Jordan 6s right here. What's the retail price? What's the retail price? We got $165, and now it's $80 with 20% off. Okay, size 6.5, not too bad. Ooh, we got a lot of Air Force Ones here. Regularly $100, now $45. I like these Air Force One mids. They even got some low top Air Force Ones right here for $40. What do you find there? Ooh. Ooh, these are fire. I like these. I like these. We got the Air Jordan ones in the gray camouflage, regularly $130, now $50 with 20% off. And then we have the almost breads. You could call these Greds because they're gray and red. That sounded horrible. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, gray and red Air Jordan 1 camouflage, regularly $130, now $49.99.
What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit.
Wheat Nike Dunks right here. Not too shabby, I would say. How much the price? How much are these going for?
It's not even on sale, I think.
Not even on sale. No, they gotta be on sale. They're at the Nike outlet. But this is a really good find though, nonetheless.
And that's gonna pretty much wrap it up in terms of the girls and smaller sizes footwear. Where'd my sister go?
Where can they find you on social media if they want to follow you?
You can find me at Nicole.Rosalie.
On Instagram?
On Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, everywhere.
That's it. Okay, bye. With that said, it's time to cash out on these Air Jordan 1s. Very, very good day.
I know in my soul, this fucking cold.
So we just wrapped up at the Nike outlet, got the Air Jordan 1s right here, and the funniest thing, an employee who I think was possibly one of the managers recognized me from YouTube, and I was just cashing out, and the employee who was cashing me out didn't know who I was, and so the manager or the employee was like, "You don't know who this is?" when he was selling me the shoes. So that was pretty funny. So shout out to that employee, and on top of that, that employee was wearing some off-white Hyper Dunks, which was pretty dope. Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap up today's Nike outlet vlog. Hope you guys did enjoy it. We are going to do a giveaway actually for the sneakers I bought today, these Air Jordan 1 Yin Yangs. So if you want the pair, just comment down below what your favorite sneakers were that you saw in today's Nike outlet vlog, and thumbs up the video. And let's try and hit 3,000 thumbs up on this video. If this video can hit 3,000 thumbs up, I'm gonna do a sneaker shopping with a subscriber at a Nike outlet. So yeah, hopefully we can do that soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
So I woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my gosh, what the fuck up I ain't hearing what you gotta say.